we're going to visit again the Miracle Garden. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to win again. And first, before we go, we're going to visit again the Miracle Garden. It's been 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's been 5 years. 5 years ago I've been there, so it's different also now because they're always doing some the design of the flowers, the arrangement, the plantation, they have so much more new design. So before the end of winter, so we're going to visit there again and see how it looks. But now the timing is 8:40. It's around 8:40 morning, and they will open around 9 o'clock or 9:30. But yeah, right now we're just dropped by for our breakfast because we just came back from Terra Pavilion. We visited that place, if it's done or not yet, but still ongoing the construction. So we'll visit again that place whenever they're done, or vlog inside the Miracle Garden. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, please share or let your friends watch all my videos. Thank you. See you and keep watching my videos. Guys, nakabili na ako ng ticket, so papunta na ako sa loob. Ito yung ticket nila. Good. Okay. Yeah. Oh my God, me alone here. So, lilibot-libot muna. Ayan. Bumabaliw ako. Mag-isa lang ako dito. Oh my goodness. Yes. Akin ang lugar na to. Yeah. So guys, if you wonder that it's something like noise of a car racing, just because this place is opposite side of Motor City where some cars are having fun of racing. Lang ako ngayon dito sa Miracle Garden. Ako ang may-ari ngayon dito. Ako may-ari ngayon kasi mag-isa lang ako. Ako yung pinakaunang tao sa araw na to. Pinakaunang taong pumunta dito. Kahit walang picture sa akin. Picture ko na sa sarili ko. Okay. So, sa tinagal-tagal kong hindi pumunta dito, after 5 years, ay lang ako nakabalik dito. Look at that. So, mag-isa lang tayo ngayon kasi maaga. Masyadong maaga. Masyadong maaga. Itong lakad. Mamaya pupunta ba ako dyan, oh? Look at that. Saka gusto kong mapunta dito. So, ayan. Mag-isa tuloy ako. Wala akong kasama. Yung city river. Ayun, papunta na ako sa airplane. Meron na pala. Okay, now nakikita ko na yung mga taong pumunta dito. O yan, picturean niya ako. And by the way guys, this airplane is really real. Totoo po siya, hindi po siya yung plants lang. It's totally real. So guys, pinagbawalan akong lumapit doon malapit sa airplane. Bawal nga po talaga eh. Not okay? Hindi kaya? Okay. Only I take picture. So that's the... So the next part is aakyat tayo doon sa tuktok doon.
And also guys, this flowers arrangement and plantation here is really real flowers. So they grow up so fast because they have some expert on planting on these kinds of flowers. Now we're going down to show you how it looks like down there with the waterfalls and the small lake. It's a kind of their designs and artificial lake, small lake. So this area is the food court or the sitting place where you can relax and eat your food while after roaming around in this area. So guys, I think that's it for my part 1 of this video, and on the next video I'm gonna show you it looks like all around here, because some more views I'm going to show you on the next part of the video. So bye for now, and thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. See you in the next part.